Hey squad, welcome back to the channel. I hope that this finds you in wonderful, great, awesome spirits. So I am low on memory, so I'm probably going to speed through this faster than I want to hopefully I capture everything. I'm timing myself to know how long I have. So if I'm talking really fast or anything like that, I do apologize in advance. I just want to go ahead and get this recorded, and so that way I can edit it and get it uploaded to you guys. To everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel, welcome to the Get Made Squad. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You can hit the subscribe button while you're watching this. Besides providing beauty content, I wanted to provide information, thoughts, encouragement to get you guys empowered and feeling good about yourself so that you can tackle your goals and put your best foot forward. So I am trying to give you food for your soul, positive food, positive energy for your soul so you can be the best that you can be. So my quick thought for today, I was talking to my associate, and he's from a culture where they do arranged marriages. So we were talking about that, and the woman that he's with is not from the same religion, not from the same culture. He's Indian, she's Mexican. So we were kind of just having a discussion about that. And I have dated interracially, I have married interracially. But my thoughts are, when it comes to your family and who you're dating, it's great to always get advice from people. I mean, because especially someone who's older than you or someone who's been through more experiences than you have, it's always great to kind of hear their perspective on things, because it can cause you to kind of rethink things and put things in perspective that maybe that you just weren't grasping at first. Something they can say can really enlighten you and you know, just get you thinking about something different. But there's also family and friend members who provide you with advice that just is not right. You know, so you have to filter out the advice that you're getting and the information that you're getting, whether it's from family, friends, or especially from the internet. You really just want to look at who's providing the information, look at their life, and at the end of the day, you gotta live your own life. You know, of course, you want support from your family and your friends. If the person you're with truly is treating you right, they are truly, deeply, madly, soulfully, spiritually in love with you, and they are taking care of you, and they're taking care of their responsibilities and helping you with your responsibilities, they're doing what a mate should do, you know, stick with them, stick by them. But if your family's telling you something about somebody and you know, you are ignoring the red flags, and you know this person is not for you, regardless of how you feel about them, that you love them, whoop-de-woo, you know deep down to your core this person is not for you. Then listen to what they're saying, and maybe you might need to reevaluate your life, because you only get one shot at this. You only get this life that you are right now once. So don't settle. But if that person is like with my assistant and the woman that he's with, you know, she does treat him right, and he treats her right. Like, they have from what I see and what I've witnessed and observed for myself, they have a wonderful, great relationship. You know, yes, unfortunately, they're not from the same culture, but soul connections don't care about that. That's an earthly thing about which religion you are and culture and stuff like that. The soul, on that base soul level, doesn't care. They're looking at who the person is. So, like I said, if that person is treating you right, like truly treating you right, you have to decide, you know, is your family's opinion more important than that person? Because if you're going by what the Bible says, once you get married, it's all about you as a couple. It's not about everybody else. Like, it's not about your mom, your dad, your grandmother, your sister, your brother, whatever. It's about you and the person that you are deciding to share the rest of your life with and making that spiritual bond with. So, because some people are steering you wrong. There are people in your life who will steer you wrong. They may think they're right, but they're not always right. So just think on it. Marinate on the information that you're getting. All right, so look at this. See, there I go. Okay, anyway, let's get into the other reason why we're here, which is, as you can see, I'm bald. No, not gonna, I should say like that. I'm not bald, but you see I have my wig cap on. So we are doing a wig review. So this was the other unit I ordered. with the ponytail I reviewed. This is another Bobbi Boss unit. And this is Dinah. MBLF360 Dinah. This is her right here. And I got her in the color. I don't have this color. Like I have burgundy units, but not this one. So I got TT1B/bug. There are a lot of colors you can choose from outside of the natural colors. So whatever you're feeling at the moment, get it. Okay, so she is a human hair blend. Okay, and this is like a new unit. Like Bobbi Boss just dropped this unit, what, last week maybe, or a couple of weeks ago. So like she's fairly new to 2019. Okay, so here's a stock card out in case you want to see that. And here's the back. So she's a 360 Swiss lace wig, handcrafted natural hairline wig made with flex fit cap, 360 hairline. You can choose your own parting. And what else? It doesn't say she's heat safe, but I'm going to assume she is because she is, you know what? I thought she was a human hair blend, but it doesn't say on here that she's a human hair blend. Yeah, it does. Sorry. Yeah, so since she's a human hair blend, I'm assuming that you can probably heat her up. Not heat her up, but you know what I'm trying to say. You can put some heat to her. You should be fine. Okay, so let's take a look at the construction. So that's a pretty color, guys. Like, that's a pretty burgundy. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so here is it's like a frontal. So here's a frontal part to her. And so she has 2 combs in the temple area, which I do like. But she is technically not a 360 unit. Like this, even though this is lace covering the straps, she's not 360. I mean, there is lace in the back, so you can pull her up. But right about in this area, nah, bro. She's not 360. Okay, she does come with baby hairs, really curly cute baby hairs. They're pretty thick. They go all the way around. Trying to see how these baby hairs are. They're pretty much just in the front area. So yeah, feels like she got some room to her, some give. I'm still gonna go ahead and release the straps on her. And then I'm going to cut the lace. And we're going to see what she do. Okay, she is definitely a big head friendly unit. I mean, she's not 100% big head friendly because I can't cover up this part on my head. But, you know, I could, can't talk. I can get away with her. Ooh, I do love this color though. Now, the texture is a light yaki. You would think she'd be softer since she's a human hair blend, but she's not. I mean, she's not rough, just, I don't know. I thought she'd be softer. I'm getting some strands as I'm finger combing her. Let's see this one little baby hair right here. That's funny. So the baby hairs are pretty thick on her. So if you're not a fan, you can either cut the baby hairs. You can pluck them so they're not so thick. It's really up to you how you want to customize her. Let me get up close to show you guys the hairline. That's the hairline on her. Let me show you the parting space. So Bobbi Boss is doing really well, guys, still on this parting space. She naturally parted to the right side. But, you know, you can part her, part her however you want. I like the curls because I like that they're going outward. I don't know why I can't talk, guys. A few snags. Just got her. Okay, guys, so I laid the baby hairs down. I didn't cut them because I used them to kind of fill in this area since there's such a gap in between the my natural baby hairs, my hairline, and the unit itself. So, but if you don't have that issue, you don't have to use baby hairs. Like I said, get rid of them, thin them out, make them shorter. You can customize them to your liking. I tried to add powder. I didn't add powder to the part, but I did add some powder to the hairline to try to cover up these black knots. No, didn't work. So, I don't know. Okay, so you can use foundation. Just use a really small brush because as you can see, it like gets onto the hair itself. But using the foundation, you know, making sure you blend, you can use that to cover the black knots. So you can try that. The baby hairs came up while I was doing that. So, of course, you want to apply that before you lay the baby hairs down. So, I probably look crazy right now with these baby hairs like that. Okay, I'm just going to undo the baby hairs for right now, guys. Okay, so this is her. I flipped her over to the right, and then this is her flipped over to the left. Just see the baby hairs. See, they're just like, you can use mousse too, besides hairspray. So you can use some mousse to kind of blend in the baby hair. So if you want to keep them, you can use them when you want to use them. Sorry, the baby hairs are laid down are coming up. If you want to use them, you can use them. If not, you can just, you know, try to glue them into the hair so they don't keep coming out. And then, of course, you can play around with different hairstyles since you have that. She's not, even though she says she's 360, she is not 360. But of course, you can do traditional half up, half down. You can, of course, do the top knot. That is an option with her. Okay, you also could do 2 ponytails, you know, if you want to be cute and flirty. Why I say it like that? You want to be cute and flirty, you can do that. You can do 2 space buns. Alright guys, so I know you're ready for my final thoughts, so here we go. And this is my final look, my space buns. I like to be cute sometimes. Anyway, okay, so she is big head friendly-ish, right? So she fits on the head, but she's sliding back. So because she's sliding back, the baby hairs keep coming undone. So it looks weird. And then, of course, these are baby hairs that I didn't adhere down. So you can decide what you want to do with that. We've already covered that. But basically, I would recommend if you have a big head like myself, you're going to have to adhere the whole thing down. Not the whole thing, but, you know, adhere the front part down along with the baby hairs, and that should anchor her really well on. I don't know, I feel like I could be wrong, but she's going to start snagging and she's going to start frizzing. And I'm going to use, someone made a comment on on the update of Celeste. I forgot her name. I'll put her name somewhere around here. She called it crunchy. I like that description. So I feel like eventually she's going to get crunchy. I don't know if it's because she's in the specialty color or if the naturals feel the same way. You know, if you decide to pick her up and you get her in natural colors, let us know down below. Does she feel kind of like she's going to eventually kind of get crunchy at the ends. The best thing about this unit is the color. Like this color. You can't tell me nothing with this color on. Like you can hide if you hide the knot, she's a really pretty unit. Like I don't know if I said that, but she is gorgeous. She's a gorgeous unit. I like the curls on her. I like that they curl in the same way, back away from the face, not two different curl patterns on either side. I do like that. I do like the layers they added on her. Like it's perfect layers. It's not like a big jump from this shorter to longer. Like they actually made a gradient kind of layering. So as far as that, that's great. Now she has a pretty natural luster. She's not shiny. It's pretty natural. So I got her for like $52. So Bobbi Boss, that's pretty pricey. And I can't really wear her in a versatile way in which you say I can because of the black knots. So I know y'all have released a lot, but any future frontal units you guys are planning to release, please get rid of the black knots. All right, let me hop off of here. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And once you subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications on when a new video is headed your way. Hey squad, really quick, I know I was hopping off of here, but I always talk about Mini-Me and I don't think she's ever been on my channel. So this is my Mini-Me, my road dog, my number one. See how she stole my unit? This was Bona. She stole it. But she looks gorgeous, so I guess. Oh, the other one wants to get in. I don't know if you can see her. All right, guys, this time I really am hopping off. Okay, alrighty. Okay. All right, so all the girls are here. The boy is not. All right, guys, this time I really am hopping off. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go. Feeling myself. I'm 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 feeling myself.